To create an account and begin logging into screencast-o-matic, first thing you should do, of course, is to type in screencast-o-matic.com and hit enter, and that'll bring you to the home page. To sign up and create your free account, you could just click on sign up, enter your email, and go through all the steps. The free account gives you 15 minutes to be able to record anything that you need to do on your screen. It can also, as you can see, you can record just your face if you have a webcam. You can record the screen and yourself where you kind of pop up in a little window. Works out really well. You can also pay a little bit more, maybe about $20-something for a 2-year subscription, and that will give you unlimited time to be able to record. So I went for that, but again, 15 minutes should be enough for anyone, and that's free. Once you've signed up, then you're going to log in. You're going to type in your email and password, log in, and it brings you to this screen. The first thing you're going to do is download install. Okay, and in the lower left, it's going to load the install screen. Once that has loaded, you can open it. This is going to be a little different. I'm on a Mac right now, so the steps are going to be slightly different. Obviously, when you are on a PC, you're not going to have this step where you're going to be dragging to your applications. But since I'm on a Mac, this is something that I needed to do. On a Mac, once it's done that, you open up the application folder. Yours will pop up automatically on a PC and just ask you if you want to save it or run it. And of course, you're going to want to run the program. For me, I'm going to open it from here, and from this point, it's basically the same exact thing that you're going to notice. Click open, and it's going to get ready for that first run. Again, if you have the free license, you're going to click this. If you have the pro license where you pay a little bit more, that's when you're going to type into the pro and log in. Sorry. And now you have the screen to begin recording. To record, you click record, obviously. And this is going to allow you to drag how much of the screen you want to use. I like to do the entire screen. Again, you can click on the webcam. You can click both if you want a little window to pop up with you there to kind of show your face if you want to make it like you're looking at your kids. You can see that the microphone is working. And then you can X out of that. I'm going to X out of these things. And you can start recording. If you press record, it's going to count you down. 3, 2, 1. And then you're going to be able to go through. You can open up a new page. You can log in, show everything that you want to show, tell them click on the 9 square, go to Drive, whatever it is you want to do. And when you're finished, then you will press, obviously, you're going to pause that. If you're totally finished, you can click Done. And then it's going to pop this window up here. At this part, it says Save Video as a video file on your hard drive or upload to screencast-o-matic. If you click on that little 3 bar with the plus sign, it gives you more options. If you have a YouTube account, you can upload to YouTube. Personally, I find it best to upload to Google Drive because then you can attach the video right from your files in Drive. It's going to ask you to launch the web browser so it knows where to save it. And of course, it's going to ask you for permission to be able to do these 2 things. Click Allow. It's going to open that up. You've got authorization. And again, there are certain things you can do. You can rename this. Okay. You want to save it on My Drive. If there's a specific folder that you want to save it in Drive, you can do that also, depending on what class it is that you're doing this for. Public on the web is just a really easy way to have it out there so anybody can see it. You can also do anyone with the link. That little, when you're putting the cursor all over the place, you can either make it so that there's no cursor or just show the cursor. So there's different ways that you can do it. And when you click publish, it's going to publish whatever it is that you've done. You can continue in background, and you can record another screencast if you wanted to do that. If you wanted to do more than one at a time, you can do that. Once it has published, it is going to wind up in your drive. So as we're watching, it's published, and I can then scroll down and see, looking for test. And right here, it's an MP4 file that's saved right there. If I am in Classroom and I wanted to add that to an assignment that I wanted to push out, I can then just put this, click in here, create an announcement. If I click on Drive, it's going to show, because it's the latest thing that I've done, test, and then I can add it, and then the kids would be able to see it. So that is how you use screencast-o-matic, and if you have any other questions, you are more than welcome to let me know.